In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a chainsaw for fast logging. So this is actually quite simple. All you have to do is press I on your keyboard, go inside Memetics and Cradle, click Memetics yet again, and inside the infrastructure, you want to scroll down a bit until you see chainsaw, okay? As you can see, this gives you the logging chainsaw. Now you can craft this at an intermediate or advanced supplies workbench, okay? So what you then want to do is simply exit this, and then you want to go to a intermediate or advanced supplies workbench, open it up, and as you can see in here, you'll then be able to see the logging chainsaw. Now for this, you will need, as you can see, steel ingots, refined parts, electric parts, and fireproof plastic, as well as a storage battery. Now, the storage battery can be crafted in here as well. As you can see, it requires these materials, not very expensive, and then you can create the logging chainsaw. Now, I've just crafted one, as you can see, and I'm going to put it into my inventory, and I'm going to show you how to use it. Now, you have to walk up to a tree of your choice, and simply press F. Excuse me, I have to equip it first because I haven't done that yet. There we go. You want to put it somewhere you can see, and then you want to press that number on your keyboard, run up and press F, and there we go. It will use that chainsaw on the tree and give you a whole bunch of wood, okay? Not only is it fast, but it gives you a whole bunch of wood. As you can see, it's still going on the left of my screen, so it gives you a lot. Now, as you can see, it gave me, I think, it was about 300 wood just from that single banyan tree, so that's actually very nifty. Now, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.